I'm going to try and figure out how to stop losing money, for good. We've all been there. You get a paycheck, you feel like you're on top of the world, and then somehow, money just seems to disappear. You're not alone in this feeling. The truth is, there are certain habits and behaviors that can quietly drain your finances without you even realizing it. One common way people lose money is through subscription services they don't use. Think about it, how many streaming services, gym memberships, or software subscriptions do you really use on a regular basis? It's easy to sign up for these things, but often we forget to cancel them even when we stop using them. Another way people lose money is through impulse purchases. We've all been guilty of buying something on a whim, only to regret it later. These impulse buys can add up quickly and often don't provide any long-term value. A third way people lose money is by not shopping around for big-ticket items. Whether it's insurance, a new TV, or even a car, failing to compare prices and do your research can lead to overpaying. The reason these habits are such a problem is that they can quietly erode your finances over time. But the good news is that there's a way to stop the loss. For subscription services, take a hard look at your bank statements and identify any recurring payments. Then, cancel the ones you don't use. For impulse purchases, try implementing a 30-day waiting period before buying something non-essential. And for big-ticket items, make sure to do your research and compare prices before making a purchase. The 30-day waiting period can be especially powerful. When you see something you want to buy, wait 30 days before making the purchase. Often, you'll find that the urge to buy has passed, and you'll save yourself from making an impulse purchase. The key is to be more mindful of your spending habits and make a few simple changes to your behavior. By doing so, you can save significant money over time. So here's a lightbulb moment for you. One simple strategy that can immediately save you money is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you'll ensure that you're saving a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. To recap, the key money-saving tips are to review and cancel unused subscriptions, implement a waiting period for impulse purchases, and do your research before making big-ticket purchases. Taking control of your finances is achievable, and it starts with making a few small changes to your daily habits. If you've got your own money-saving tips, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice and check out our other video on budgeting for beginners.